I'm Dini, your coach, helping you delivering a day-to-day provoking questions to become a better you. You learn, you grow, start from today. In this channel, I will read out loud the conversation between me and AI, a list of curated questions dedicated for those who are interested in organizational development, HR, and neuroscience. AI is a scholarly partner for you to have through discussions as long as you already read, understand, and practice the subjects. This will be conducted in English, not in Bahasa. I hope you could learn something from each chapter or each question I have and benefit from it. A delightful conversation with scholarly AI. Chapter 12, Training Development. Part 2, Questions. 4. Which industry that heavily use the blended learning approach? Can you elaborate more? 5. Since COVID-19, many offline trainings have been transformed into online training. How effective is the blended learning in online settings? What's the strategy to ensure a blended learning approach beneficial for the organization? 6. Can you tell me more about gamification? Do you have any research that proves that gamification increases the productivity of the employees? 4. Which industry that heavily use the blended learning approach? Can you elaborate more? Multiple industries utilize blended learning, but here are some notable examples. Heavily users of blended learning. 1. Healthcare. Medical professionals require continuous updates on procedures, medications, and technologies. Blended learning combines online modules with hands-on training. 2. Finance and banking. Regulatory compliance, product knowledge, and soft skills training are essential. Blended learning ensures efficiency and consistency. 3. Technology and IT. Rapidly changing technologies necessitate frequent skill updates. Blended learning platforms provide flexible, self-paced learning. 4. Education. Schools and universities integrate blended learning to enhance student engagement, accessibility, and outcomes. 5. Corporate training. Large enterprises use blended learning for leadership development, onboarding, and skills training. Other industries. 1. Manufacturing, safety training, equipment operation, and quality control. 5. Since COVID-19, many offline trainings have been transformed into online training. How effective is the blended learning in online settings? What's the strategy to ensure a blended learning approach beneficial for the organization? Blended learning effectiveness in online settings relies on strategic implementation. Here's an assessment. Effectiveness factors. 1. Engagement, interactive elements, discussions, and gamification boost learner participation. 2. Technical support, reliable infrastructure, user-friendly platforms, and timely technical assistance. 3. Content relevance, aligning online content with organizational goals and learner needs. 4. Facilitator training, preparing instructors for online delivery. 5. Feedback mechanisms, regular evaluation and feedback loops. Benefits. 1. Increased accessibility. 2. Cost savings. 3. Flexibility. 4. Scalability. 5. Personalized learning. 6. Enhanced collaboration. 7. Improved knowledge retention. Strategies for success. 1. Needs assessment. Identify organizational objectives, learner needs, and technical requirements. 2. Clear learning objectives. Define measurable, achievable goals. 3. Blended learning design. Combine synchronous or live and asynchronous or self-paced elements. 4. Content curation. Select relevant, high-quality materials. 5. Technical infrastructure. Ensure reliable connectivity, video, conferencing tools, and learning management systems, or LMS. 6. Facilitator training. Develop online delivery skills. 7. Monitoring and evaluation. Regularly assess program effectiveness. 8. Continuous improvement. Refine content, delivery, and technical aspects. Best practices for online blended learning. 1. Micro-learning. Break content into bite-sized chunks. 2. Social learning. Foster online communities, discussions, and peer review. 3. Gamification. Incorporate interactive elements, rewards, and challenges. 4. Mobile optimization. Ensure accessibility on various devices. 5. Accessibility features. Closed captions, transcripts, and adaptable font sizes. 6. Data analytics. Track learner engagement, progress, and outcomes. Popular online blended learning tools. 1. Learning management systems, or LMS, Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard. 2. Video conferencing, Zoom, WebEx, and Google Meet. 3. Online course creation, Articulate Storyline, and Adobe Captivate. 4. Collaboration platforms, Slack or Microsoft Teams. 5. Gamification tools, for example, Kahoot and Quizlet. 6. Can you tell me more about gamification? Do you have any research that proves that gamification increases the productivity of the employees? Gamification is the strategic application of game design elements and mechanics to non-game contexts, such as workplaces, to engage and motivate individuals. Here's a comprehensive overview. Key elements. 1. Points and badges, rewarding achievements with symbolic tokens. 2. Leaderboards, ranking participants to foster competition. 3. Challenges and quests, assigning specific tasks or objectives. 4. Progress bars, visualizing advancement toward goals. 5. Feedback and notifications, real-time updates on performance. 6. Social sharing, encouraging collaboration and community. Benefits. 1. Increased engagement, boosts motivation and participation. 2. Improved productivity, enhances focus and efficiency. 3. Enhanced learning, facilitate knowledge retention and skill development. 4. Better teamwork, fosters collaboration and communication. 5. Increased job satisfaction, improves overall work experience. Research studies. 1. Gartner. 80% of gamified applications lead to increased employee engagement. Research in 2012. 2. Aberdeen Group. Gamified training programs show 60% higher course completion rates. Research in 2013. 3. Harvard Business Review. Gamification increases employee productivity by 30%. Research in 2015. 4. University of Colorado. Gamified tasks improve cognitive performance by 22%. Research in 2016. 5. Talent LMS. 89% of employees prefer gamified learning experiences. Research in 2020. Successful examples. 1. Salesforce Trailhead gamified training platform with 2 million users. 2. Duolingo's language learning gamified language education with 300 million users. 3. Microsoft's Fantasy Sales gamified sales forecasting with 25% accuracy improvement. 4. IBM's Innovate gamified innovation platform with 100,000 plus participants. Design considerations. 1. Clear objectives. Align gamification with organizational goals. 2. Simple and intuitive, easy-to-use interfaces. 3. Meaningful rewards, relevant and valuable incentives. 4. Feedback mechanisms, regular progress updates. 5. Continuous evaluation, monitor and refine gamification strategies. This is the end of Chapter 12, Training Development. Thank you so much for listening. Could I ask you for a favor? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. For inquiries, please contact my Instagram, DiniDaily_coaching. And please support our online store at 4teeth.